Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a Redmi Note 8 Pro from Xiaomi with a broken display and back cover, and David will sort this for us today. Let's get right into it. So we'll start the repair by removing the back cover, and we have opened the gap here. The back cover is made up of glass, so you can see there's cracks there, but we will still reuse this later on, so we don't want to crack this some more. So we'll use some prying tools and IPA to soften the adhesive at the back, and it's gonna be cracked quite a bit. As you put force and pressure on these parts, this will put more stress on the glass material, but we'll do the best that we can. The back cover is not really the main concern. The main concern is the front display, because you can't use a smartphone with a broken display. A broken back cover, you can just cover it up with phone case or a skin. It can still be relatively safe. A broken display though, you can use your smartphone on a daily basis safely if you have a broken display. The cracked glass can cut through your fingertips if you have a very thin skin on your fingertips. Bleeding on display can also propagate, so it will just get worse every day. Cracked display can also be detrimental on the waterproofness of your device. So even smartphones with no rating, IP rating, it still has that waterproofness somehow with the display, with the adhesive and the intact display. If you have a cracked display, dust and water can penetrate on those gaps. So we have our brand new display now. We'll connect it to the main board and turn this on, so we'll bypass the old display that's currently installed on this device. And you can see it's showing us something. You have the Redmi logo, and we'll wait for it to boot up. Test it if our replacement display is good in terms of the display and touch functionality. The display is not really that shiny because it's still got its plastic cover on top. We'll remove that later. So far so good. Display is responsive to touch. No dead pixels, no damage to the main screen. We'll even shut it down properly using the new display. So that's a good sign. We'll continue with our disassembly. Detach the display and remove all the components. So the Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro will have a new display and new housing. So everything that you can see here, the main board on top and the battery and the daughter board at the bottom will have to go out so that we can transplant it to the new housing and display. We'll remove the SIM card tray and remove the front-facing camera. Some miscellaneous parts. It's relatively easy to do the repairs on a Redmi Note 8 Pro. If you're interested in DIYing this fix, you can definitely do it. The problem is we still need to remove one tray. I think this is for the dual SIM in the micro SD card. That is two of them. You have two SIM card tray slots. So this is our replacement display. It comes with its own housing. So the front part of the smartphone will definitely look brand new compared to the back, which is already beaten up. So we'll remove all the miscellaneous parts from the old display, remove the tapes from the new one, so it will fit nicely. You can see there, I'm gonna plug this in. think this is some brackets or sensors. Just plug it in. So if you're gonna DIY this, this is intermediate in terms of difficulty. It's not really that difficult, but small parts, you have to be very aware where to put them, and you better complete it and not leave one component behind so that it will function normally when you transplant them to a new display and housing. We have installed the main board, the SIM card trays, the front camera. Now we are going to focus our attention on the battery. So this is the battery compartment. The connector for the display goes underneath the battery, so we'll connect it for now and fold it accordingly. It's already set up. You have some miscellaneous components for the daughter board. Then the daughter board will come in so that we can position the battery nicely. The cover for the daughter board goes back in, then the cover for the main board. This is the battery. It's held on by adhesive, so it's quite strong. So we'll see how we remove it. There's no pull tabs on this one, so it's quite tricky. But David is using the prying method that we used on the back cover and slowly pull the back battery off of the housing, which is quite dangerous if you're using sharp objects. So for DIY enthusiasts, be careful with any batteries on any smartphone that you're trying to fix. These are very high capacity, high voltage, very volatile batteries. So don't puncture it, don't bend it too much, and don't rush if you're not sure. So cover everything up. We're almost done actually. So if you're interested in our Redmi Note 8 Pro screen replacement or battery replacement, you can message Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We offer mail-in repair services or even walk-in services for clients within Sydney. For mail-in services, we can deliver fixed smartphones as far as the North America and Asia. So if you're outside of Australia, you want to avail of this service, you don't have any reliable technician for your Asus ROG phone or high-end iPhone, you can definitely consider sending your broken smartphone to us. So this is the reused back cover. Too bad we don't have any spares. And this is it. Looks brand new. It's done. Thanks for joining, guys. Like and subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. And we'll see you again next time. Take care. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.